Hi everybody! I wanted to practice vlogging, so I thought that the first thing I would do is start with a makeup tutorial. I saw this thing on YouTube and they were making their lips go plump by using eyelash glue. I was like, oh, that looks like a great idea, so we're gonna try it. I have two different kinds here. I have Pure Pro eyelash glue, which actually for eyelashes is amazing because my eyelashes don't come off on it and it washes right off. And then we have Kiss. This stuff is intense, as most of you probably know, and rips off your eyelashes, so I don't really use that one, but maybe for my lips, who knows. So let's start with Kiss. I don't know how high I'm supposed to go with this. Maybe like help it dry. Sorry, this is really funny. Okay. Is this gonna stick there? Oh my gosh, it's actually sticking. I actually have a hairdryer to help it stick. Okay. Well, that was obviously an epic fail. Let's try another glue. Okay.
Pure?
Okay. I really hope that I don't get a rash from this because I'm supposed to be going out tonight and that'd be interesting. So it still has like the other glue from the last one, so it's kind of hard to. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, I guess we're gonna do the bottom lip now. I'm smiling right now and you guys can't tell. Okay guys, I'm I'm dying right now. Yeah. Hi. Oh my gosh. I can't really like close my lips. Oh, the bottom one came undone. I just go underneath there and let's just tuck it under. Oh my gosh. Warning, do not do this unless your dentist is around so they can like suction the drool from your face. I'm literally cracking up right now and I can't. My face isn't moving. As I look, thank goodness I have nice teeth. That would suck. Okay. Alright. Alright, you know, I think we should check before they fall apart. If they fall apart. I don't know what falling apart looks like because I feel your face right now is falling apart because this is a weird, awkward look. Let me show you a close-up. Okay, so this is me with my new lips, and I wish that I could smile. They're obviously way bigger. I cannot not show my teeth, so I would imagine this is maybe what I would look like if I got lip injections. So let's just say that if you don't have lips like mine and do it, maybe your teeth won't show. I really hope that I can get this crap off of me though before 8 p.m. Cheers.